Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the SIM pin on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. To do so, first we're gonna open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down until you find security and privacy and then go there. Over here scroll down and go to more security and privacy, then scroll down and you need to find SIM lock and then go there. Over here first we'll need to enable lock SIM, and over here we'll find the information about the lock SIM, so read it and then press OK. Enter the current SIM code, SIM pin code, and then press OK. Once the lock SIM option is enabled, and then you can choose change SIM pin, and there we go. Now we need to enter the current pin code, press OK, then enter the new pin code that you want to use, press OK, and then confirm by typing the new pin code one more time and then press OK. And that's it. Over here you can see the information that the pin code has been changed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!